Here's a secret on how to actually get more views on YouTube fast. This has helped me get over 1 million views per month and over 10 million views per month on multiple other channels. And the way that you get more views is by uploading optimized videos. And this AI tool will optimize your videos in literally just 5 seconds in an actual good way. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a Tube Magic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube Shorts scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using Tube Magic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to Tube Magic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using Tube Magic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with Tube Magic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, Tube Magic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of Tube Magic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.